As we look towards the future, as Walt said, we will never be done, and that's certainly never been more true than it is today. I know for me personally, I'm looking forward to seeing this glorious property from a new height, right? So the Disney Skyliner, I think, is going to be just a fantastic addition that's coming in September. As you know, Rise of the Resistance, which you'll hear more about coming in December. Couldn't be more excited about that. A one-of-a-kind attraction like no other.
This is the most ambitious attraction we've ever done at Disney, or maybe that anyone has ever done. It is everything Star Wars all in one package. It has all of the action and the epic spectacle and the thrilling adventure and even some of the humor. Basically everything that makes Star Wars all in one attraction experience. We are actually captured by the First Order. We're captured by Kylo Ren. We're pulled aboard this Star Destroyer, now prisoners of the First Order, with Kylo Ren intent on getting the information that we have, the location of that secret base, and getting it from us one way or another.
We're really focusing on making sure that all the details of this experience help bring that Star Wars story to life. Everything from the fact that there is an alien crew on board to the fact that absolutely every window, including the one in your cabin, has the view into space. Both kids and grown-ups alike are going to get to face off against a training remote while wielding a lightsaber. So this is a lot like what we saw Luke Skywalker do, as he was just learning to use the Force.